Hello everyone, welcome to sebinbayarea. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of riding a bike in my somehow neighborhood, and actually I need to go very far away to the store. So I decided why not, I will share some of the view, some of the ride with you all. Before I do that, I need to enable my trusty strap. Alright, there we go. I think I'm gonna be riding about 3 to 4 miles one way, so we'll see how it's gonna be. The weather is really nice. I don't have a car today. Wifey took the car. She have to do some stuff, so I am not really per se working today. Although I did go to our office and prepare some stuff. I have to go in the evening later on to finalize it. So I decided go for a ride. It's nice weather. The wind is not that strong, hard yet, so I can do it. Why not? Whew. I'm gonna take it easy. I don't want to overload myself. I've got lots of miles to go. With the car, it takes approximately 15-20 minutes to get there. And with the bike, it's definitely slower. So take it easy. So far so good. Here's my first mile a day, or my first mile. Oh, see how it's been. Really long time didn't ride bike for a really long time. This way. Just go turn around. Close, so I'm going a different way to get there. So much traffic here. No, thank you. Don't go there. Whew. Made it. So far so good. Nice tracker, let me go. It's getting really tired. At a certain point, this force kicks in. Like, you really want to go? You have to go. Oh, I have to. I need to go buy the stuff. Do I want to go? I don't know. Oh, and it's not so much traffic now here, so we're good. Not gonna be so much traffic. Alright, a little break on the intersection before we go. I'm like maybe 2 miles from my home, to my house now, and I have another, I guess, another 2 miles. Alright, there we go. It's tiring. What a ride. Thank you. Oh. So this is an old Middlefield. Middlefield Road? Maybe this is Middlefield Road. Always mistaken these two. Very tiring. When you hit certain age, guys like that became a marathon almost. Oh. Very tiring. Definitely a good workout. Today I did my Uber ride in the morning at home. I had to give the car to my wifey. Now this I saw like to go bloody miles. Oh. 진짜 씨. 멈추세요. 멈추세요. Some good news. I'm approaching another traffic light. Wow. And after that, it's gonna be a little bit uphill, and we shall be my destination in another eternity later. Damn it, it is time. Alright. Hi guys, stay here. I'm tired. This guy is shooting stars. Popcorn maker. Nope. You didn't see that. You did not see it. Alright. We have arrived to my destination. Oh. The question is where I'm gonna park my bike. That's another story. Okay, let's do this here. Let's park him here. Yeah. Ah. Whew. All right. Oh, all right. All right. Oh, I arrived to my destination. My Dollar Tree store. Let's go buy the things. Alright. Let's go for an envelope. Envelope. Oh, I couldn't be going here somewhere. Yep, I think here. There you go. I got the envelopes. Alright. Let's buy the one. This guys. Can't take this guy. Let's find some more. These two. What else? Okay, we take these guys. Alright, so according to Strava, I made 8 kilometers. It's like 6 miles, something like that. And I finally got one. Got this. I got a little bit more than envelopes. So before heading back home, awesome. Come on, tree, be nice. Yeah. All right. Put my phone on the train. Don't forget. So before I go home, I need to eat some chocolate because I need some energy. I'm gonna go another 8 kilometers back home, and my legs kind of shaky. So I need this. I need some energy. Make me strong again, baby. This is good. Alright. I'm practically packed up. I can go back, but I'll just enjoy my chocolate. I got something for Junior too. 4, 3. Spring's coming. Spring and it's coming. Let's see how much I can zoom in. So much. Okay. Alright, let's go home. 8 kilometers down, another 8 kilometers to go. This is my Formula 1 today, Mr. Giant. And this time I'm gonna go with different route. Today. Oh, lovely. There's a wind against me now. Ooh. More fun to the challenge. Alright, nobody's there. Let's go. Self-driving cars. They're dangerous. They can kill you. Kill you. I can kill you. Listen to a music while I'm riding, but decided to record this. Yoshi! You never know where you're gonna find. Socket. 5134. 9/16. Okay, I take it. Good. You never know what you're gonna find when you're biking. Money, tools, maybe partner if you're single. Are you gonna be kidding me? Just kiddo just on their scooter just passed by. These kids those days are bloody they're so spoiled. So many kids are spoiled. Too much work and oh my god, the entire world goes down. Really? No, not really. But that street that I'm going right now is very famous for cops catching speeders. So speed limit is 35 miles, and some people really exceeding more than that. But same anyways, so people going faster than they should, and cops catching them left and right. And this is a 당신이 더 행복한 것 같아요. Yeah, New Community Baptist Church, Korean. I wonder if they provide Korean classes. The ride back home is actually seems to be much better than going to the store. I don't know, maybe because I have the chocolate, got more energy. Or we're going downhill, I don't know. Either way, he's gonna test the mountain. I have foreseen the wind. 25 years, 26 years ago, when I came here for internship, I have to use a bike also, not in this region, but in another region of the Silicon Valley. And back then, there was no bike paths, designated space for bikes. You have to deal with the oncoming traffic one way or another. And it wasn't that easy. So I'm standing on the sensor now. It should kick in. If not, I'm gonna be stuck here forever. Alright, we got a car behind us, so that triggered it. Otherwise, I would never be able to. Alright, this is Costco, where people really don't know how to park nor drive. So I have a truck behind me. We're on the traffic lights now. It's Charleston and Independence. And the Charleston is going to bring me to where I want to go. There's a little bit heavy traffic, but you just need to be careful. There we go. Go, Tesla, go. There we go. Like, really, you are freaking bus? Tesla drivers. Ooh, hydrogen powered. Nice. Alright. Really nice day for a ride, so okay, I did a little bit more than 16 kilometers today, but feels really good. Girl, my hand hurts. Oh my god. On your left.
Like,
Thank you.
my building like this crazy.
All right. I have a wind going against me now, so not looking good. It's gonna be a little bit tight. Shoot, my hand hurts. I think it's swollen. Alright. Now I have a wind. Not good. Almost home sweet home. Almost home sweet home.